Welcome! In front of me I have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. And after you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Then you can scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll through the list of settings, find the option called the general, and once you find it, tap on it. Then scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you will see the reset option. Tap on it, scroll down, tap on reset button, and then finally tap on reset to confirm. You can also tap right here on the continue to make a backup of your watch if you like to, but I don't need to, so I'm just gonna tap on reset and start the resetting process. And now let's wait until it's complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.